Every memorable moment in life, every amazing surprise, all comes from tiny details. Every greeting card filled with blessing. Every perfect package carries your best love and anticipation. Honesty, beauty, decency, and kindness. What comes out is expectation. What we see is impeccable craftsmanship. What we carve is perfection. What we inherit is ingenuity. Shanghai ETERNA Machinery Company Limited was established in 1995 and joined the world-renowned Box Group in 2011. Today, ETERNA focuses its bases in Yangtze Delta region, Shanghai and Dongtai to be specific. With its rich history in machine design and excellent manufacturing capabilities, ETERNA strives to provide its customers with the best solutions available. Over the years, ETERNA has developed 4 main product lines, namely die cutters, foil stampers, folder gluers, as well as automated peripheral production lines. Measured by international standards, coupled with local precision manufacturing, ETERNA follows the brand concept of simply good to achieve perfect combination of value and technology. To lead the future in innovation, ETERNA R&D team creates cutting-edge technology to push for industry changes. By optimizing the supply chain, we can achieve precision manufacturing and innovative development and constantly pursuit of quality excellence. Every process, every machine part is created by combining ingenuity into intelligent technology. The results are more equipment with excellent quality. In order to provide customers with products that meet the international quality and safety standards, we adhere to the spirit of ingenuity and insist on repeated testing before shipping. We provide customized solutions to every customer based on their unique needs. Selling is far from the end of the process. Service picks up from where sales finishes. We respond to customers in time and provide high quality and efficient service at all times. With Build Future Together as our mission statement, and integrity, accountability, ambition, and accomplishment as our core values, ETERNA is honoring our legacy as we build the future, a better world with better quality equipment. Dedicating our focus on innovative products, committing our devotion on craftsmanship. Top quality services rely on good attitude and honesty. Create every beautiful moment in life. Simple and extraordinary. Quality beyond technology. ETERNA, a packaging machinery brand that stands the test of time.